Hello everyone, Triumph and Tragedy.
Let's begin straight away the unboxing. First, there is 20 pages instruction manual, then 3 large helper cards with different colors, one for each faction, Axis, Western countries and Soviet Union. A playbook. Basically, this manual is an extended example of play. It is extremely detailed. It comes in color, reporting also details of the dice tossed and the cards played by each player. This provides a great way to quickly learn the game loop. This is the record sheet for additionally tracking the points and the resources achieved by every faction during each game turn for the entire game session. And here the board, the game board. I will open it later. This box is not new. We already arranged the content. These are all the tokens and units of the Soviet Union faction. This one is the set of the Axis faction. And this the complete set of Western faction tokens and units. And then we have the neutral tokens marker. Here the cards. We have 2 decks of cards actually. Action card and investment cards. And as last, a bunch of dice. As promised, here is the game map spread out on the table. This is the back of the box. It displays the World Theater, the game board. And here there is the list of the box content: cards, tokens and units. Looking in here, there is the information about the complexity rate of the game. GMT, the game producer, tagged this game as medium complexity. Here the number of players, 2 or 4 players, and the playing time is 4 to 6 hours. Let's take a second look at the game cards. We say there are 2 decks, but the back of the card is the same. This way, it is not possible to know how many investment cards or action cards the player has in his hand. These are the units, and these are the markers. For instance, this is a unit, this is a unit, and this is another unit. So we have 7 types of units: fortress, tank, infantry, airplane, fleet, submarine, and carrier. The dot on each unit indicate the combat value of the unit. And these are the influence markers. 3 influence markers in 1 neutral country turn the country to be a satellite. Here more tokens utilized during the game, for instance, to track resources and to track industrial power for the factions. These that you see are the unit of the Western countries and markers. Why tricolor? Because this is Britain, this is France unit, and this is US unit. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and you want to see more video like this, please subscribe. Ciao!